Howdy y'all, this is Kevin coming at you from San Antonio here in South Texas. First of all, I'd like to thank everybody for subscribing to my personal YouTube channel and all the likes you give in the videos that I've uploaded, especially about my Corvette. Secondly, I'm very excited to announce the launch of my new YouTube channel, HookedOnVettes. Now, HookedOnVettes is dedicated to the everyday Corvette owner. I'm the proud owner of a 2005 C6, and I wanted to create a channel where I can upload videos about anything and everything to do with Corvette ownership. So I'm looking forward to posting videos for you guys about general maintenance, driving your Corvette, bolt-on performance. Again, appreciate all the support you guys have given me on my personal YouTube channel thus far. Can't wait to see you on the other side. Subscribe to Hooked on Vets today.